Live from Volta. So as you can see now, this morning I'm from all the way from Accra, can reach home for this particular project. So I just came for the measurement. So I'm going back. I'm going back. I'm going back to Accra. Then I'll go through the measurement. So then I give the client, how do you call it, the estimate, And so as we can see now, this morning I'm in the hole. So this is the area. As you can see, this one particular one will let you know that, oh yeah, I'm in hole now. So from the site, I'm going back.
So welcome back to the channel once again, and that was info for you if it's your first time seeing him. And yeah, we are back again with another roofing project, and this time we are in Ho. So this is a 4-bedroom house where you have 1 bedroom downstairs and then you have 3 bedrooms, at the first floor. That we will be doing the roofing, right? So as you all know how we do it here on the channel, the owner contacted Info went to do the estimate, which was the first video that we saw when he went to do the estimate. Took the measurement for the estimate, and we've gotten the contract for the roofing. So FO always start with us from the timber market, how he buys the wood. He has record of everything. If the owner wants to see everything step by step, FO will be sharing this, videos with you, right, for record. And also, it is exciting, right? Like I always say that I'm also building, so I know how it feels if you send money back home and then you see that the money is being, the things that you want is happening, right? You send money home, and then let's say a day or two, you see them buying things, with the money, and you see progress on your project. It is very exciting, right? And I also know how it feels if you just send the money and it's 2 3 days and you're not hearing anything, and you don't know what is happening. That's also another challenge. But with Eagle Production Group, you know how we do it. These are the nails he bought, for the project. And also, first, we always have to treat the wood before we, start installing them, right? So, talking about installation, we've seen this several times. If you go to IFO's playlist, I have a playlist for IFO where you can see all his works, right? When it comes to decking, all the kind of roofing he has done. He also works with a roofing company. He has partnered with one of them. So, if he is done, he can give them a call. They will come and give you estimate the next day. And then, if you accept it, or if you think the price is okay for you, then you start, your roofing sheet as soon as possible, right? So these are, it is like I said, it is a production group. We work as a team. When one is done, the next one comes. When one artisan is done, almost done, he already alerts the next artisan to come. But you always have to check, double check, and cross check as well, right? So if you get maybe a quote from the roofing sheet company, there are other roofing sheet companies as well. You can also get quotes from others, compare, and then make the right decision. But we are using this particular one based on our search that we've done on the market and how fast they also respond to us, right, when we call them. So that's why. And when, like I said, once again, it is a teamwork. So let's say there is a problem, right? You call info and then you have the roofing sheet company, right? You don't have to be solving that problem. That's what Gigo Production Group is for, right? We work as a team. So if there's any leakage, you call one person and then they will come and check. And then when they find when the fault is, we know whose fault is it. These are some of the things that we do here to, save you, the stress, and you have to go through so much hustle, right, to put up your house here in Ghana, right? So if you like what you see at the end, and I mean you are interested in working with Ifo, that's his number on the screen. You call him, you deal with him directly, right? If you want to see other projects he has worked on to make, a firm decision as well when it comes to decking. Also, I mean, he's very good with that. You go to my playlist, it's called Ifo Carpenter, and then I mean you see his works, right there also. I mean, if you're at your decking stage and you think the wood is expensive for you, or you just have just one level and after that you are not doing any decking again and you want to rent some wood, FO is there as well for you. Just anything wood in construction, just call FO and FO will sort you out.
Yeah, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, this is Kigo Production. So we are from Accra to Ho in the Volta region. From Accra to Ho in the Volta region. So as you can see, this is one of the projects that our clients have. So we are here to give him the best of what we almost do to our clients. Yes, as you can see now, we just put the roof, the rafters and the purlins on the building top. Yes, this is some of our materials. Plus we are still ongoing. Okay, so this is the inside. Up to the up. Yes, as you can see, the ceiling joints or ceiling noggin started. We just started the ceiling noggins. Yeah, as you can see to yourself, this is the part one. Yes, so yeah, let me take you to the up and see the 360 of the building itself. Yes. Yeah. Okay. As you can see, yeah, Gigo production from Accra to Ho in the Volta region. Yes. Yeah. I'm about to give you the 360 of the network done. Yes. Okay. So I'm on the ridge. Let's start. Let me give you the 360. Yes. So you can see. We just completed putting on the purlins on the rafters. Yeah. Okay. So anywhere you are in in the country, yes, as you know, do the necessary need to reach us. Yes. So Gigo production, we are still busy. Busy of the day. Yeah. We thank our clients, all of them. We are saluting them this morning. Yeah. See you again. More time. Gigo production. Yes, more to come, more to show you. Our viewers. Yeah. Okay. I think we are done. We are done. We are done. We are done. See you next time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.
So there you have it, and this is how it looks at the end. Right. So then I think the owner will start, with the plastering, electricals, and then plumbing work, and then on. You go. Building is all about time. Just take your time to do the right thing. Take your time to do it right. Right. There's no rush in construction. Anything you put in there doesn't come back until you are done and you've moved in. Right. And it takes time and it takes a lot of money as well. It is possible to do it, but just give it that time, right? And go through the process. Don't try to rush the process as well, right? So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.